Have you ever wondered why we find some animals so irresistibly cute? Well, it turns out that there's actually a scientific reason behind our love for adorable creatures. Studies have shown that when we look at cute animals, our brains release a surge of dopamine, which is the pleasure hormone. This is the same chemical that's released when we eat delicious food or fall in love. As it turns out, our brains have a natural affinity for all things cute and adorable. This is why we feel an instant connection with cute animals. The very sight of them can make us feel warm and fuzzy inside, and can even put us in a better mood. But what's really fascinating is that this response to cuteness is hardwired into our brains. It's an evolutionary trait that helped our ancestors to care for the young and protect them from harm. Over time, this same response has extended to other cute animals as well, creating a universal attraction to all things adorable. Researchers have even identified certain physical characteristics that make an animal cute, such as big eyes, round faces, and soft fur. These features trigger an innate nurturing response in our brains, which is why we want to protect and care for cute animals. These features are often associated with babies, and it's thought that our brains have evolved to perceive them as cute because they elicit a nurturing response from us. Interestingly, research has also shown that we tend to find animals cuter when they exhibit baby-like behavior, such as clumsiness or playfulness. This may be because it reminds us of our own experiences with young animals or children. But it's not just our brains that react to cute animals. Studies have shown that interacting with animals, even just watching videos of them, can actually reduce stress and anxiety levels. This is why animal therapy has become increasingly popular in recent years. People with mental health issues such as depression and anxiety have found that spending time with animals can be incredibly beneficial. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The obsession with cute animals has led to an increase in demand for certain breeds, which has resulted in overbreeding and health issues for the animals. While cute animals have become a global obsession, it has led to an unintended consequence, an increase in demand for certain breeds. People desire animals that possess certain physical traits, such as large eyes, short snouts, or wrinkly skin, and are willing to pay a premium for them. This has created a lucrative market for breeders to meet this demand, leading to overbreeding and health problems for these animals. For instance, the breeding of flat-faced dogs like pugs and bulldogs has resulted in a range of health issues. These dogs have difficulty breathing, and their short, narrow airways can cause chronic respiratory problems, heat exhaustion, and other complications. They also have a high incidence of skin infections and eye problems due to their facial wrinkles. Similarly, the breeding of Scottish fold cats, which are known for their folded ears, has led to an increased risk of bone and joint disorders. This is because the gene mutation that causes the unique ear shape also affects the development of their bones. It's essential to acknowledge that the breeding of certain cute animals has negative consequences for their health and well-being. We should strive to appreciate the beauty of all animals and prioritize their welfare over our desire for certain physical characteristics. Additionally, the overexposure of cute animals on social media and in advertising has led to a phenomenon known as cute aggression, where people feel the urge to squeeze or harm cute animals because of the overwhelming emotion they feel. Researchers believe that cute aggression is our brain's way of regulating intense emotions. When we see something incredibly cute, like a fluffy kitten or a pudgy panda, it triggers a flood of positive emotions that can be overwhelming. Cute aggression, then, is a way to balance out that surge of emotion with a release of energy, and can help us to regain control. But cute aggression is not just a harmless quirk. It can also be a sign of stress and anxiety. Studies have found that people who experience cute aggression are more likely to feel overwhelmed by negative emotions, like sadness or anger. It's a way of coping with intense emotions by redirecting them towards something harmless. While the phenomenon of cute aggression may be fascinating, it also raises some important ethical questions about how we treat animals. It's important to remember that these cute creatures are living beings, and not objects for our amusement or emotional regulation. So next time you feel the urge to squeeze a cute animal, take a moment to reflect on why you're feeling that way. Are you overwhelmed by positive emotions? Are you feeling stressed or anxious? And most importantly, remember to treat these adorable creatures with the respect and kindness they deserve. So while our love for cute animals may seem innocent, it's important to be aware of the potential negative consequences and to treat animals with respect and care. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more science content.